This is a 1994 Honda Acty 4-wheel drive, 69,000 original kilometers, 42,000 miles. This one is non-AC equipped with the heater controls, the Honda AM radio. There's a 69,000 kilometers. It does have some seat covers on here. It does have the rubber floor mat. It has been paint corrected, compound, and polish. There is 2 imperfections on the front, right here and right here. It does have new windshield wipers. It also has brand new Honda 4-wheel drive Acty decals. It does have a bed liner in here. See, there's one dent here, here, and here. Come to the back. One right here. And this side is bowed in just a little bit. It has a new coolant tank. Spark plugs have been changed. Fuel filter, air filter has been changed as well. This is a brand new antenna. We walk back around here to the motor and show you what's underneath. .660 3-cylinder motor. Show you the imperfections back here. The tailgate also has brand new Acty decals. All the tail lights work, all the bulbs. It does come with the original Honda Acty owner's manual and service records. It's pretty neat. That'll be included with the sale. Speaker does work. Let's give it a little rev here.